Good morning, guys. And if you're over in the other part of the world, just east of GMT, say good afternoon or good evening. This is Ernest Odell, the admin of the Legitimate Online Work at Home Jobs Group. And you guys, there's been many of you asking me about, some free advertising where they can advertise. Advertising on Facebook groups is really not all that effective, as you can probably see. There's a lot of noise there, and everybody's, posting their stuff, and there's just too many scams and scammers. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you a link to a website right here, Herculist. They've been around for almost 20 years. They started off as a credit-based safe list. Years ago, they have graduated up. They've got Smart List solo ads. They've got Smart List, Mega Mail. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you just a real quick example of some of their crediting sites. So you can put an ad up here, and your ad will rotate through, and as you gain credits, you can use this to build up credits to advertise, or you can buy credits. I'm lazy, so I buy credits. Yo soy perezoso. And I'll buy credits instead of sitting here clicking. But there's a lot of people, they sit here at the computer and they click, and it takes about 20 seconds for it to count down, and then they give you a credit, 35, 50 credits, 5 credits, and you can just say, okay, I'll click on it again and see what they give me. And it'll start counting down here, 19, 18, give it about another 20 seconds. And what you can do is, if you have some spare time on your hands, you can get about 3 or 4 ads per minute. I think there's 60 seconds in a minute, so you can get 3 ads. Look at 3 ads in a minute, times 60 minutes, that's 180 ads. So if you sit here for an hour just clicking, if you've got some time to burn up, you can stack up some credits. You can really, make this pay for itself, okay? But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that you can actually sign up free, okay? When you come over here, I'm going to supply you the link. I'll give you the link. Put your website in here, okay? Let's say we want to put that in there, and then click here, get started, and get a $5 sign-up bonus. All right, you click on that, and it'll take you to the account create page. And then once you've got that set in there, it's got your website. You put your first name, last name, select a username, select a password, and then, put your subscribe email. They recommend Gmail because Gmail has better filtering. If you use AOL or Yahoo or one of the others, your mail might end up in the spam bucket, or you may not ever see it. It just won't get delivered. Okay. But select Gmail. You can set up a free Gmail account if you don't have one. If you have one, you want to set it up separate. Set up your Gmail account first, for your Herculist, and then, let it run. And then click the agree to the Herculist terms of service, and then create your account, okay? And back here, I'm going to back up real quick and, tell you why should you trust Herculist? Well, they've been around for about 20 years, almost 20 years. I was using them back right after Y2K. They came online right after Y2K in the year 2000, I think 2000, 2001, something like that. They're worldwide. It's free to join. They have email and web marketing. There's 100% real traffic, okay, from human beings, subscribers. They have over 83 or 86,000 subscribers that are going to see your ad, okay? This has been one of the best converting sites for me. You're not going to get a lot of conversions from Facebook groups. you know, like the legitimate online work at home groups here. Okay, you're just not going to get a whole lot of, you know, good traffic because, you know, a lot of people think everything is scams, and yes, there's a lot of scammers on there. Every group has them, but you know, when you see the power of investing in a little bit of advertising, and it doesn't take much, you can get, you know, a package over here for you know, I think $20. Over here, you can get a package for as little as $5.95. All right, but when you get free advertising in Facebook groups, you're competing with a lot of other noise. And looky here, there's 8,398 posts waiting for my approval. They're just not going to get approved. A lot of them just won't get approved because they don't meet the criteria. A lot of them are spammers, and scammers, and they're just not going to get approved. Okay, I'm not going to spend that much time just going through and approving, and I won't open it up for, you know, unmoderated because there's just too many scammers. Again, I try to take care of you guys on this group. So you get real traffic, you get powerful tools, you can even earn in an affiliate program up to 50% commissions. So if somebody buys an ad through one of your products here, you get up to 50% commission. You can join thousands of other people who are like-minded and, you know, advertise your business, build your business. It's mobile friendly. It will work. It's responsive to phones and tablets, iPads and Androids. It gives you more control, so you can join. I've been a member of Herculist for over 10 years, almost 20 years. Like I said, they got started back in 2000. So I've been there, and you can make money with them on the side. So get over here, get in, and get registered free. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up. You can even post daily. I'll be posting more tutorials here in the next few days, so stay tuned. Thank you much. Bye-bye.